Hey there, guys. Chet here. If you're trying to build something on the web without code, you've likely run into three big names: Framer, Webflow, and Bubble. Now, from the onset, they can all seem like they do the same thing, which makes choosing the right one feel next to impossible. But the reality is, they're built for very different kinds of projects, and choosing the wrong one can lead to a lot of wasted time and a ton of frustration. So, today we're going to clear up the confusion. We'll look at the specific job that each of these tools is designed for so that you can confidently pick the right one for your idea. But before we dive in, I've got something special. When you sign up with my link that we've put down below, you'll not only get started with Webflow or Framer or Bubble, you'll also unlock my free full course that takes you from your first project to your first client. And I'm including my Notion templates, the exact ones that I use to manage projects, track clients, and keep everything organized. It's all my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now, the link is below. Now, let's get into it. Let's start with Framer. The best way to understand Framer is to think of it as a design tool that can publish a live website. If you've ever used a design program like Figma, Framer will feel very familiar. It's built for people who prioritize visual quality and want to create beautiful, interactive websites very quickly. Its strengths are in animations, micro interactions, and its fluid design canvas. Framer is the perfect choice, really, for projects like marketing websites or portfolios or landing pages, and also personal blogs. It's for when your main goal is to communicate a message through a stunning, visually led experience. You can design and publish from one place, which removes a lot of the traditional steps in web creation. If you want to turn your design into a live, high performance website as fast as possible, Framer is the likely tool for you. Because Framer is such an effective tool for bringing your designs to life, we want to help you get started. Now, if you use that link in our description to sign up, you'll get access to our custom Framer templates and a complete course, all for free. All right, next up is Webflow. Webflow is a visual platform for building professional, content rich websites. While Framer comes from a design perspective, Webflow comes from a web development perspective. It's built on the fundamental principles of HTML and CSS, giving you precise control over every single element on the page. Now, this makes it an incredibly powerful tool for building custom, scalable websites. Webflow truly shines on projects that require a robust content management system or CMS. Think of business websites, complex blogs, and also e commerce stores. It really is the tool that you use when you need to build something for a client that is both powerful but also easy for them to update later. It takes more time to get comfortable with Webflow than Framer, but that time is an investment in having a deeper level of control over the structure and responsiveness of your site. It's really the bridge between no code and traditional front end development. Webflow is the standard for many professional freelancers and agencies for a reason. If you're serious about building websites for others, it really is a platform that you should know. To help you do that, again, our link in the description will help you get started, and we'll give you our complete set of templates and a free in depth course. Now, finally, let's talk about Bubble. This is the one that is the most different from the other two. Framer and Webflow are primarily for building the front end of a website, which is what the user sees and interacts with. Bubble, on the other hand, is for building complete web applications. It handles not just front end, but also the back end, including databases and complex logic. Bubble is the tool that you need when your project requires user accounts, custom workflows, and the ability to save and retrieve data. Think of building a custom social network, an internal business tool, or a marketplace like Airbnb. You're not just making a website, you're building a piece of the software that does something. It is by far the most powerful of the three in terms of functionality, and then, of course, with that power comes a greater need to understand concepts like database design and logical workflows. Bubble can open the door, building the app that you've always had dreams about without needing to hire a team of developers. To help you on that journey, again, you can sign up using our link in the description below to get access to our exclusive Bubble templates and a free complete course to get you started. Now, how do you pick the right tool? Well, it's pretty easy if you think about what your project actually needs. If your project is a website that mainly focuses on how it looks, like a portfolio or a marketing page, and you want to get a nice design online fast, then Framer is probably the best choice for you. If you need to build a serious website for a business or a client, one that needs to handle a lot of content or gives you exact control over everything, well, then Webflow is probably the one for you. And then finally, if you want to build a complete online application with things like user accounts, a database, custom features, then Bubble is the tool that you should probably use. And again, to help you get started, we've got that special offer for whichever platform you choose, whether it's Framer, Webflow, or Bubble. We want to help you succeed and get started. Now, when you sign up using our links in the description, you will get our free and complete course to take you from beginner to pro. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.